Hi everyone! Rice Paper Kimbap is trending in Korea these days. When I first saw it, I thought, wow, you can make a kimbap like this too? It's healthy, simple, and fun to make. Let's make it together. Here's what you will need. 8 small rice paper wrappers, 2 pieces of dried game, 8 lettuce leaves, half a cucumber, half red bell pepper, half yellow bell pepper, half a carrot, 8 large shrimps. Let's prep the veggies first. Slice bell peppers into thin strips. Slice the cucumber into thin strips. And then slice the carrot into thin strips. Just slice them however you like, not too thick, not too thin. Wash the lettuce and remove excess water from the lettuce. Now for the shrimp, you can use any protein you like, but I'm using shrimp today. Just microwave them for about 2 minutes. Don't overcook them, they are done when they turn pink and plump. Cut the game in half. Then cut each half in half again to make 4 pieces. Do the same with one more game, so you will have 8 pieces total. We'll make a rolls today. Place a piece of game on your board. Dip 1 rice paper wrapper in cold water, just 1 second. Place the rice paper on top of the game. Then add 1 lettuce leaf. Now add a little bit of each ingredient. Fold the lettuce over the fillings. Then roll it up with the rice paper. Tuck in the sides and roll it tight until the end. Do the same for the rest. Rolling rice paper with game helps preventing sticking, and it adds a nice texture and taste when you eat. Once done, cut them in half. Look at those colors, so pretty. Now let's make the peanut dipping sauce. In a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or a bit of vinegar if you don't have a lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Mix well. Serve the rolls on a plate, add the sauce on the side, and you are done. Dip them in the sauce. It's so good. Chewy on the outside, crisp and fresh inside, perfect for light meal. If this video was helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye bye!